Doesn't mean I'm right, of course. I lose 40% of the trades I take, right? No, I lose 35-ish, like 37-ish% of the trades I take. I have about a 63%. It obviously varies, win rate. But anyway, we are long at 408.31 on 75 shares. Once again, for stream chat here, we are sizing up to 75. I'm not taking 100, though. I took 100 on both of the trades I took yesterday because SPY was strong as hell. But, you know, I'm going to size up to 75 instead of 50 because I do think SPY is still strong, but I'm going to let it prove intraday strength before I take 100. So if this trade comes and wins, SPY pushes above 410, the rest of my trades today will be 100 shares. But we're going to start the day off with a nice calm 75, yeah? You might be able to tell we are, talking's hard. We are already up a bit on the day because we did long SPY overnight. I am now longing SPY overnight instead of shorting because SPY is above the 200 daily SMA. So I longed a SPY last night. It's actually the first time with my overnight strategy that I longed SPY overnight instead of shorted. And it worked. We made 36 bucks in the overnight trade. And we're up 15 bucks in this trade immediately, but doesn't matter. Our sell condition's not till above 409, way up there. So who cares about this? Don't be influenced by your open P&L, right? I say this all the time, but I'll say it one more time. If I wasn't streaming, I wouldn't have this up. I only have my P&L open here for content. I would definitely suggest hiding this. Because all this exists to do is to make you break your rules, right? To make you, oh, I'm up 15 bucks, should I sell? Or oh my gosh, I'm down 20 bucks, should I sell? No. You should sell where your rules tell you to sell, right? That's it. It's that simple. Trading isn't overly complicated. Being disciplined to your trading is what's complicated, right? So get the things that make you undisciplined out of your face, like your P&L open. Like, It did break the monthly trend line. Dude, we've had this conversation multiple times this morning. Everybody and their mother is drawing this trend line and thinking SPY is supposed to reject off this, right? I don't think this trend line is worthless, but I don't think it's going to act just like I think about technical analysis as a whole. I think technical analysis is good to help paint the picture. This paints the picture that SPY is going down and has previous resistance levels. It does not mean any greater or less than 50% that SPY is supposed to reject this now here, right? Technical analysis exists to help paint pictures, not as the pure reason why you should enter trades. You can utilize technical analysis. Sure, of course you can. You probably should, especially if you're a beginner, to help you paint that picture. But you better have a real strategy around it too. Not just, ooh, it touch line, I short. Like, nice push there. We got a candle over candle, but no immediate continuation. It can break through and then lose steam. Well, it can do anything, right? That's why, like, that's why I'm saying what I'm saying, right? SPY can do anything here at any level. It doesn't. This line means nothing. Well, it doesn't. Once again, it doesn't mean nothing, but it doesn't mean that SPY is supposed to automatically. Oh, it's gonna react to this line. Like, no, it's already sort of proven that it's not. I mean, it's already a handful of points above it, 5 points above it. Like, 30 seconds left in this bar, and then our sell condition is going to come down slightly. Monthly trend lines are good if you look at the stock market once a year. It's nothing to do with day trading. I'll just stick with the way I view technical analysis. It helps you draw the picture. You now, with this line, can help you understand that SPY is in a downtrend and that it's bouncing up. It's in a downtrend and bouncing upwards. That's what this helps you decide. And that's not a bad time to be shorting, right? SPY's in a downtrend and bouncing upwards. That's micro trend divergence. That's like the number one thing I teach when reading charts is micro trend divergence, right? It's not a bad time to be getting short, but people overuse technical analysis. They think it's supposed to react to that line, like exactly, like, oh, it should. I'm gonna short here because it's gonna bounce off this line. Like, it's just there to help paint the picture. That's my opinion and what I'm sticking with. We're up 30, well, we're up, okay, now we're up $35 in this trade. We are 15 cents away from getting out. I will not exit early, though. If it doesn't get there and rolls, it's going to be sad, but I will not care. I mean, I will probably care, but if it happens, it happens. Oh, don't give me the topping tail now, Spy. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. We're very close. 6 cents. Oh, don't you dare get this close. You little tease. We're up $40. This is a nice trade. Again, we did take 75 shares. I'm still happy with my decision to not take 100, though, and we're out. Sick. We're up $82 on the day now. What's 82 minus 36? Hold on. I'm not stupid. I'm not typing this into Google on my other screen. $46 we made in that trade. Nice. Up 82 on the day of day trading. Up 96 on the day because of our Google position. Great start to the day. Now, if Spy gets through high a day here, like pushes, the next trade I'll take 100 shares. But they're giving me, okay, so they're giving me 4x on 20,000 because, no, wait, no. Oh, by the way, I'm long. We just got, sorry, I'm sitting here dealing with, talking about margin fees because if you'll notice, I took 99 shares here instead of 100 because I can't quite afford 100 shares. I'm literally, when I put the order out, it gave me a potential T-call error here for $140. So I'm just shy of being able to afford 100 shares. So I took 99, but we are long at 409.17. We got an immediate bounce, but back to break even in the trade. Let's see. Does Spy want to get up here and break this 410? It actually doesn't. Of course, it doesn't need to do that for me, but does Spy want to go to 410? I told you all if, I took 75 here, I told you if it could get through this high and prove intraday strength that I'd take 100 shares. Sorry, I could only afford 99, not 100. I lied to you, but I told you I'd size up into the next one. You gotta size up. What was that? It's 10 o'clock. Did something just drop? This is going to be slightly embarrassing if I was in a $41,000 position and didn't realize news was about to drop. Yes. ISM manufacturing numbers just dropped. Made that bounce happen. Oh my God, it did touch 410 and didn't break it. We have a prediction. We have a prediction on over here on Twitch. Will Spy break 410 by 10:30? It literally touched 410. Oh no. Oh no, I think the prediction it had to break. The high is literally 410. It didn't break. Wait, the government's going to give me money for you. What? Poner Joe, thank you for the follow. Oh shit, this is a buy. Oh God, I don't want to buy this. All right, I'm buying it anyway. I'm in at 408. Almost on the dot in at 408. I actually didn't have a limit order out that time, my bad. I didn't realize that this had printed above the MA. It just barely did. But this is a buy. Actually, funnily enough, like if this bounces enough and adjusts the MA enough, it's going to end up not being a buy. But that'll be for a good reason. If it bounces, then I'll just sell. It'll be fine. We are long. Ew. The RSI is at 47. If the RSI closes below 45, I'll just get out. But I did take 75 shares this time, so we're sizing back down. I'm still sized up, still more than 50, but not the 100 because we no longer have the intraday strength, right? The intraday strength is gone. So SPY is still strong because of yesterday and, the move it made yesterday. So I still want to size up, but it's not strong from yesterday and has intraday strength, like why I took the 100 shares here. So we're back in 75 shares. Sell condition is 408.79 right now. Looking to make about $50 in this trade if I can do that. Would be quite nice. I mean, that'd be very nice, of course. Will Amazon hit 100 today? Amazon's going to follow SPY, right? If SPY goes up, then yes. If SPY continues to roll off the back of this seemingly bad PMI manufacturing news, then no. SPY showing a lot of weakness off the back of this news. I'm glad it gave me that little initial pump up to get out of that last trade. That's nice. It gave me like the initial fake out. I got out on the fake out. Having my limit order out there already got me out on the fake out. When it happened that quickly, I still got out. That was nice. Back to break even in this trade. Come on up there, Spy. You know you want to continue fighting. You know you want to shake off that PMI news and continue fighting, yeah? Manufacturing news, whatever it was. Shake it off here, Spy. Continue your strength. I mean, either way, this is why I only took 75 shares this trade, right? Buddy? What, buddy? There's a baby. Wade, we're doing very well today. We're up $130. Even though this trade is red, we're still up $130 right now, Quade. And we made $250 yesterday. We've been crushing it lately. So you've been crushing it, Daddy. Say yay. Say like the video. Say YouTubers. Hi, YouTubers. Like the video. Hit the subscribe button. Say Daddy wants 2K by the end of the year. Pretty sure that's not going to happen. I'm actually very confident that's not going to happen. But we can set lofty goals, right? 2K by the end of the year, YouTube subs. Oh. Let go of my headphone wire, please, mister. He's really, really at the age where he wants to just grab anything he can get his hands around. He just wants to grab and like rip at. All right, we did while I was dealing with baby, we did slide the sell order down slightly. It's actually a little bit too low. We're down $17 in this trade right now. We're chilling though. This is why I took 75 shares instead of 100, instead of 99, should I say? Wow, a lot of weakness, huh, Spy? You really didn't like whatever this news had to tell you, huh? The factory output numbers you really didn't like. That going to be the reason you rolled this over? To be fair, we did also make a giant, I mean an absolutely giant move yesterday. Maybe we're due a pullback. I mean, we did ramp from 394 to 408 yesterday. Maybe we're due a pullback. Maybe. We are down $40 in this trade now. Damn, I said right when I entered this trade I didn't want to take it, but I'm still fine with the fact that I took it though. If the strategy takes it, I have to take it. It's how it works. Ooh, Morocco scored. I forgot the World Cup was on. Morocco scored. Morocco wins, they're through, right? Oh my God, that's so sad. This just barely closed above 40 RSI. Oh, it's going to be sad if this candle now rolls too. It's going to be sad if this candle now rolls. I could have gotten stopped out on this candle, but I didn't. Once again, I didn't necessarily want to take this trade. I said it when I entered. But strategy takes, you take. That's why we made this money here, right? Strategy takes, you take. Ah, gross. Gross. We could have gotten stopped out here. We were like 0.01 RSI away from getting stopped out in the previous candle. I'm down $100 in this trade. Wow, very gross. And there goes the profits from the day. All right. Perfect, Spy. I love it. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Yes, Spy. Take away all the profits. Why don't you? Yes. Thank fuck I didn't take 100 shares. Yeah. Yeah. Damn it. Why did this bar have to go and print above the MA? It just barely printed above this MA here. Why couldn't you have just not done that? I wouldn't be in this trade. It's funny how literal like pennies affect my day. This doesn't go up by like 2 pennies here. The high of this bar is 2 pennies lower. I'm not in this trade. Isn't that crazy? Literal pennies can affect a day so much. But that's system trading though. If you're going to be a system trader, you have to be comfortable with that stuff. It can be frustrating though, for sure. I'm not going to sit here and pretend to be happy with this, but 10 seconds, we're going to get stopped out. We are still going to be green on the day, at least. At least I built enough of a buffer before this. All right, we are out. We lost like $130 in that trade. You were making fun of the overs missing by a penny. It's karma. No. No. Good trade. In where you're supposed to, out where you're supposed to. Good trade, chat. I preach that after every red trade because I want you guys to look at trading that way. So I so badly want all of you to look at trading that way. Long as you're in and out where you're supposed to, good trade. Does that suck? Yeah, it sucks. Guess what? We're still green on the day. We built enough of a buffer.